In the quiet French village of Saint-Affrique in 1871, a boy was born who would challenge our very notion of chance and certainty. Émile Borel. He looked at the universe and saw not only stars and orbits, but the hidden rhythms of probability. He would dare to ask, what if the unlikely happens anyway? What if the cosmos itself is not fixed, but full of possibility? Young Borel, the son of a Protestant pastor, excelled in mathematics. He entered the prestigious École Normale Supérieure, graduated top of his class. In the halls of academia, a spark ignited. He would become a pioneer of measure theory, shapes of sets, and the language of chance itself. Borel discovered that behind the world of maybe and unlikely lies a rigorous structure. He named the Borel set, formalizing the idea of measurable events. With that, he laid the foundation of modern probability theory. But the story doesn't stop there. Amid swirling abstractions of number theory and infinite series, he dared to glimpse beyond the bounds of mathematics to the realm of the cosmos. Imagine the time. Centuries earlier, Nicholas Copernicus had tilted the heavens and the earth from the center of the universe. His heliocentric model rocked the world. Now, imagine a mathematician in the 20th century saying, what if the cosmos itself is built upon probabilities? What if the movements of planets, the dance of celestial bodies, can be seen through the lens of chance and measure? While Borel may not have published a direct, Copernican-influenced astronomical model, his work in measure theory and probability opened doors, ways of thinking about randomness, infinity, and the structure of reality. Many have argued these abstract tools ripple into how we consider the universe. His life wasn't confined to chalkboards. In the First World War, he served coordinating French laboratory efforts. Later, he entered politics, served in the Chamber of Deputies, became Minister of the Navy. Then, in the dark years of World War II, under the Vichy regime, he joined the resistance, risking everything for freedom and truth. Let's return to probability. Borel conceived the idea that randomly selected numbers are almost always normal, meaning their digits behave in a random-like fashion. He introduced the famous infinite monkeys thought experiment. Give monkeys enough time hitting keys at random, and eventually they produce Shakespeare. This is more than whimsical. It confronts infinity, chance, possibility. What does this have to do with the stars? Everything. Because the universe is not just a mechanical clock, it is also a playground of randomness, a space where measure and chance intertwine. Borel's tools tell us, even cosmic events, planetary alignments, orbits, may be viewed through the lens of measure and possibility. We might ask, how rare is life? How improbable is a specific orbit? What is the chance that Earth sits at this moment in this place? And the answer, perhaps tiny, but non-zero. Borel's legacy, the way we conceive probability, the way we treat randomness, the way we measure the immeasurable. When we speak of almost surely in probability, when we assign probability 1 or probability 0 to events, we invoke his spirit. He founded the Paris Institute of Statistics, 1922, and co-founded the Institut Henri Poincaré, 1928, institutions that solidified the link between mathematics and the real world of science and chance. In his later years, Borel looked back on his life not just as a mathematician, not just as a politician, but as a poet of probability. He embraced the uncertain. He embraced the improbable. He whispered to the world, "You thought you were certain? Think again." And so, the probability prophet, Émile Borel, a man who bridged the infinite and the tiny, the cosmic and the human. He taught us that the improbable isn't impossible, and that's what makes the universe and life itself endlessly mysterious and beautiful. Stay with us as we dive deeper into his theories, his battles, his vision, and how his legacy still echoes in our world of data, randomness, and even the cosmic dance above our heads.